In this video, we would do the basic maintenance for the heat core. The tools you'll need is lightweight silicone oil, an Allen key, a rubber hammer preferably, and a pin punch. If you don't have a pin punch, you can use the bottom or the top piece of your heat core push pin to pinch out the other pin. So we'll start, and it's very simple. So first of all, with the pull pins, you just lift it up, which helps, or you can use your Allen key. Just put it through the hole and just gently pull back. Don't pull too hard, else it'll come flying out. Just set them aside so you don't lose them. Just pull. If you have trouble getting the pin out, just use a pinch, or just use the top part of this. Just push down, flip it over, push down on your heat core because there will be split tension, and just pull the push pin out and then let go. Pull out your heat core spring, and then there will be a spacer inside, which doesn't always come out. So here you have your heat core, your bolt, and your spring. So take your silicone oil. Grease will work, but make sure it's low. It's a thin grease. So just put a small amount, just right on it. Just use your fingers and just run it across. The same goes with this. Just put a little bit, since your fingers will already have a little bit of oil on them. And using the residual on your fingers, just run the surface of the spring. So when you reassemble it, make sure they're all aligned. Slide on your compression spring and just make sure that the ending stop aligns in the middle of the bolt. Orientate your body in the same way and just slide it back in. If you do feel a bit, you can always just pull your trigger frame down a little bit, push in. There are two pins and they are different length. The shorter one goes on the bottom, or the shorter one goes on the top. Usually it's easier if you just kind of angle it. Just push. Check for where your holes are aligned and just push your retaining pins on. Sometimes you might have to rotate your pins around. And there you go. It's secured. And that is the basic maintenance for the heat core.